Need a moment to reset your energy? Let's practice this beginner-friendly Qigong set, 7 movements of the dragon, which help to guide the energy flow more efficiently along the spinal column, also helps to improve your posture, and it helps you to have a more flexible and supple spine. So whether you've been taking care of your child or need a moment to step away from your desk, join me. You just need a little bit of space to practice. Let's get started. Separating your feet about hip width, stand in Wuji stance, connecting with that nourishing, grounding energy coming up from Mother Earth. And from up above, receive that yang energy, that unconditional love from the universe. Softly bounce your knees to connect with earth energy coming up from the balls of the feet. Relax upper body by gently shaking out your arms, shoulders, and hands, letting go of any heaviness. Gently rotate your torso around the lower dantian. Allow the palms of the hands to face each other and draw a 2-dimensional circle around the lower dantian. Continue to rotate the torso as we move into part 2, but moving the arms around the sides of the body to form 3-dimensional balls of energy to further massage the kidneys and stimulate the water energy centers in the body. Transitioning to the third move, incorporating slight weight transferring into the lower body, shifting the weight from one side to the other. The arms and hands will form circular side-to-side motions, as if you're searching for treasure from the bottom of the ocean. Look beyond the top hand as you gently rotate your wrists, elbows, shoulders. Feel this energy originating from your lower dantian. For step-by-step instructions, check the description below for a complete playlist of this Qigong set. Moving on to number 4, with the palms facing the sky. Bringing the arms next to the torso. Allow the arms to go in a circular motion, bringing the backs of the hands together. Gently moving your whole entire body as if the dragon swinging its tail. Continuing this healing movement, guiding this ocean's energy to flow through your ankles, your knees, your hip joints, and along the entire length of your spine. Moving on to move number 5. Slowly lift the same arm and the same leg, turning the torso about 45 degrees to the side. Now, as we move into balancing postures, make sure you are still honoring your body, challenging yourself, but yet still being kind, lifting up just enough. Moving to part 2, twisting the opposite arm to the opposite leg towards the center of the body, wringing out any negative energy. Noticing the palms are yin and yang, one up, one down. Moving smoothly, equal speed up, equal speed down. Moving on to number 6, going from Wuji stance to either a small horse stance or a big horse stance. Bringing the palms together, moving them parallel to the ground in slicing motion 7 times, as if cutting a 7-layer cake. Continue the slicing motion with the hands, but separating them, palms facing each other, keeping a space, continuing to move. As you move your body this way, focusing on that gentle rocking motion, the ribcage area. Making room in the intercostal spaces and gently massaging the internal organs. Begin to bring your feet back if you were in a big horse stance before, moving on to the last move. Gently squatting down without overbending, bringing your palms together as if you're scooping up healing energy. As you inhale, reaching the hands up, and as you exhale, letting the arms relax down with a soft bend in the elbows.
as we connect energy from the base of the spine, our perineum, root chakra, all the way to the top of the head, the most yang point in the body. This energy that's represented by the dragon, the healing energy, the vitality that's coursing through the entire spine. The dragon is ready to ascend to the sky, connecting with that big universal energy. Slowly stepping your feet in together, closing this set. As we breathe in, arms up, pulling down that healing energy. Again, inhale. As we exhale, brighter brain, open heart, and a strong core. Feeling centered and grounded.
I hope you enjoy practicing the 7 movements of the Dragon Qigong set with me and you feel lighter and more energized. If you like content like this, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who can also benefit. Remember, self-care is the best thing you can do for yourself and for your family. I will see you in the next video.